Sit. Sit. Sit down. Good girl. Let's see how well she works on hardwood floors. Oh, that wasn't that bad. One more for you. See, my little one doesn't chase him. My big one, she likes to chase him. One more for you. Nikita, come. Sit. Sliding all over the place. Another one for you. Come. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. You ready? You can go chase it. Alright, one left. Break it in a couple pieces, I guess. Little one. Ready? Ready? You want it? You want it? Go get it! It's like a slip and slide in here. Hey, there's pieces to clean up. Come get them.